Next one is neighbors. Okay, this function will display the neighbors surrounding the subject property. If you notice here very quickly, there is no name on the record here. Although it is public record, however, we decided to take it out to prevent any possibility of something called steering. If you show your client and he has similar surnames, we don't want you to get into that, so that is suppressed. Next one is neighborhood. So this is the census data. So it shows you by age, gender, income, rental income, also commute times. Okay, next tab is the assessors tab. So if you click on that, it downloads a TIFF file, which is a picture file. And if we click on that, once it's downloaded, it allows you to see the plat map. Okay, so the nice thing about the plat map here is that I'm going to zoom in here, and I can actually read the information here. Like this one is a sewer easement in this particular parcel. Okay, next one is building sketch, and this is again a black and white building sketch. There's a better sketch. If you click on the TMK number, it takes us to the city site. And we go down here and we see a sketch. It is color coded and it shows all of the dimensions. So that's nice. Okay. Also, it does also have the plat map. So either way. So either that site or this site to pick up the plat map. So that's Realist in a nutshell.